Welcome to the house of AGARO, the next generation of healthy living. If keeping the house clean is your problem, then the answer to it is the all-new AGARO Regal handheld vacuum cleaner. This handheld vacuum cleaner comes with a powerful 800-watt motor and 6.5 kPa suction capacity with an efficient dust collecting capability of 0.8 liters. AGARO Regal comes with an option of multiple cleaning brushes. Its Crevice Nozzle reaches all the way under and over areas, giving you maximum cleanliness satisfaction. With its 5-meter long cord, it helps you clean without any interruption. Coming with durable ABS and a compact body, it's not just a vacuum cleaner, but an absolute power in hand. So go ahead, give your home the care it deserves. AGARO, live better.